Today we're going to discuss about the for loop. In the for loop, let's um, make a simple program to output numbers from 1 to 10. I have tested prior to this video. That's why there's an output like this. Let's type for I in range, let's say 10, and print the I value. What? Print the I value. It's going to print from starting from 0 to 9. I mean, let's try to manipulate this number like I1, whether it works or not. It doesn't work because here the I is set to the 0th index. But for some reason, if you want to print this out starting from 1 to 10, you can use this. No, yeah, it should work. Yeah, it's going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You might wonder why it didn't print 10. I mean, it didn't print 9, 10, 0 because we started from 1. It's going to print until the 10th index, not the actual 10th value, 10th index. So if you want to print out 9, you're going to have to learn. It's going to print out 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The simple demonstration use of for loop in Python using the range function. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below.